Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix HiTV app download problem. So first of all, open Google Play Store and type in HiTV. You can simply click on install, but if you're unable to install from Google Play Store, what you can do is open your web browser and then you have to simply type in HiTV download, and then you can go to the official HiTV website, or you can also type in HiTV APK. Here you'll be able to see this top search result. Click here, scroll down just a bit, click on download the latest version, scroll down again, click again on the latest version, click on download. Click on download anyway, and an APK file will start to download on your Android. Once finished, what you have to do is simply click on the APK file, click on package installer, and click on install. And that's simply how you can fix HiTV app download problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.